You gotta get busy, right?
Too busy.
Too busy? Oh, come on, man.
What it got now?
That's right, baby. Nothing wrong with being too busy, right? Hey, you have a good day, sir.
Hey, what if I find this, one of the liquid line screws in? They fucking bent it.
What's that? Let me see. Let me see. Come here, brother. Here. Don't say I never gave you nothing, okay?
Perfect.
All right?
That'll work, huh?
All right, man.
Damn, thank you. There's a gasket
Here,
on there?
yeah, take my card, too.
Thank you. Take out the gasket? I take the old gasket.
Yeah, take the old gasket. You want a gasket? Here. Here. Take that gasket out of there. There should be a gasket in there.
Oh, you got it. You're dialed in.
You like that?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
Yes, you can't get dialed in this thing.
You can't get dialed in? You got to call EMT HVAC, baby.
Yes, sir.
Morning, Ryan.
What's up?
I'll be coming in and out, so it's okay.
Now you gotta look for the dogs in there.
All right, my man. It is 9:16. Slinky, a slinky. Yeah, so my wife got me this neck AC. It's made by Taurus. Anyway, I thought they were a gimmick, man, but this thing works. I mean, it really helps you out when you're in them hot attics or just in general, just sitting around anywhere. It really cools. Lasts a long time. It's got music on it. It's nice. Head over to Amazon and get you one of these. Taurus. I'll leave a link. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's test it out. Let's test her out. Ah. High, low. All right. Okay. That's it. All right. All right, we're good. Off. Good to go. On to the next one, baby. It is 10:28.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you got all the airs coming.
You feel it?
Yeah. It's pretty strong.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Especially if you crack it open just a little bit.
Yeah. You don't want to run this during the day.
No.
You see that? How much it's pulling?
Yeah.
So close that. Hit the timer. Keep tapping the timer right here till it goes away. That's 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. Keep one more time. One more. It's off now. It'll shut off by itself. Give it a second. Boom. Okay.
Perfect.
So let me clean this up.
Is this battery powered?
Yeah, it's got 2 batteries in it. Two AAA batteries.
Okay. Under here.
You can carry it around the house.
Perfect.
You're not using it, just sit on the wall.
Perfect.
All right. All right, man.